Welcome to NetAll Woodturning. Today's turning is a piece of ash. Let's see what it turns into. Like a lot of people who watch my channel, I also watch a lot of YouTube videos of other wood turners. I've had a lot of inspiration, some great ideas over the years watching their videos. One thing I have noticed, a lot of them, not all of them, but a lot of people talk about what speed they're turning their lathe on. I don't have a indicator here on my lathe of how fast it's going. I just live by the rule of I run it as fast as I feel comfortable. If it vibrates, I slow it down a little bit. But I do find the faster it goes, the less interruption. Now that I have it mostly round, I'm going to start to shape the outside of the bowl and put a tenon on the bottom. That'll be just fine. So it's been sanded all the way up to 400. Now just applying a bit of stain. So that's had a bit of time for the stain to soak in. Let me remove some of the excess. See how that just pops the grain. Welcome back. I've got the ash bowl turned around. I'm going to pilot a hole with this drill bit just to set the depth, so when I'm hollowing out the inside I don't make a funnel instead of a bowl. So everything's been sanded up to 400, just like before. Nice slow speed. Apply some of this stain. And once again, give it a bit of time to soak in before I wipe off the excess. So give this a little bit of time to finish gassing off and get nice and dry, because I can still, the softer cloth, get some of the color off. But I'm going to give this a bit of time, and then I'll be back to put some paste wax on this, and we should be done. Just buffing off the last of the finishing wax. If you like this video, please let me know. Click the thumbs up button. If you want to see more of my videos, subscribe to my channel. It'd be highly appreciated. This is Night Owl Woodturning. Thank you for watching.